All right, let's go ahead and turn on our machines. As you notice, when I spin the dial, the needle also goes up and down because they're connected. This area here is where the bobbin is made. You open it to put the bobbin on, close it to make it work. This stick is where you put your thread, and this little mechanism over here, you loop it through different ways just based off what you're doing. If you're making a bobbin, it has the instructions on the machine how to loop it through for the bobbin. But if you're just going to go ahead and sew, you're going to push it right through this hook. Now this hook helps to stabilize this thread as you're looping your machine. Then towards the back, you'll notice another little instruction on how to bring the thread all the way down to the needle. Now you'll notice right here, this is where the bobbin is kept. And when you open this compartment, you'll notice that our bobbin is a flat bobbin, not a side bobbin. This area also has a razor where you're able to cut the thread without using a scissors. This dial right here is for the different stitch settings, and you'll see the settings also located at the side. The top one is for buttons, the second one is for zigzag stitch, the third one is for your common stitch, then the last couple rows are a little more turned. Now this little button right here, you push this down when you want to back stitch your fabric, and that kind of seals the deal. And then we'll go through stringing it in a second. Okay guys, so you're going to take your thread and put it on the thread holder on top of the machine. Then you loop it through the mechanism and push it under the hook that I've showed you guys before. Now when you push it under the hook, you're going to go ahead and loop it around the machine, all the way around, then push it all the way to the back where you see those instructions, then bring it forward. This is where you may need to wet the end of the thread a little bit because now you're on the home stretch, which is putting it in the needle. Sometimes I use a tweezer. This time I got it through pretty decently, and we are done.